The easiest way to connect your HyperX Cloud headset to your Xbox Series X or Xbox One is via the 3.5mm audio jack on your Xbox controller. Simply plug the headset's 3.5mm cable into the controller's port. For wireless models like the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless or Cloud Flight, use the included USB adapter to connect wirelessly. Ensure your Xbox firmware is up to date for the best compatibility. This connection provides both game audio and party chat functionality. Wired connections are the most reliable and recommended for competitive gaming, as wireless connections can have slight latency. Note that the HyperX Cloud Revolver S Plus has limited support due to older audio technology. After connecting your HyperX Cloud headset, navigate to your Xbox settings to configure audio output. Go to Settings Audio and ensure Headset Audio is enabled for voice chat. Adjust microphone levels within the Xbox Accessories app to avoid being too quiet or loud. HyperX headsets often support spatial audio formats like Dolby Atmos or Windows Sonic, providing a more immersive experience. Ensure your headset is selected as the default audio output device. If using a wireless connection and experiencing audio dropouts, update the headset's firmware via HyperX's Ingenuity software on PC. By 2026, expect HyperX to integrate Xbox Wireless directly into their headsets, eliminating the need for adapters.